How to assemble moon shoes by a mom who could not figure out the instructions the first time and couldn't find a video online to help. Here's moon shoes. Okay, here's our first page of instructions. Don't know if this helps because I'm also technology inept. Here's your other page. Okay, so what this really means is you take your base, green on the bottom, black on top. You take your moon shoe, onto which hopefully your helpful child has already put your Velcro straps. I'm going to show you how the Velcro straps are going in. Ignore all the rest because I'm not a YouTube video person. Okay, here's your Velcro straps. Or maybe they already came pre-assembled in the box, but that part's pretty easy. You take your rubber bands. Now notice it mentions a weight on your handy dandy instructions that hopefully you have. So if your kid is 60 pounds or less, you're going to be using 1 band per slot. 60 to 100 pounds, 2 bands. 100 to 130, 3 bands. And if mom is playing with them, 130 to 160 is 4 bands per slot. You'll have lots of elastic bands in your bag. So you can take your moon shoe and you're going to thread your rubber band through the hole here at the side. It's just going to slip along and out the other side. If you're only doing 1 band per slot, just go ahead and do all the slots that you see here on the side. So threading them in as quickly as I can. What are the odds I'm going to figure out how to actually upload a YouTube video next? Never mind that YouTube has been around for, what, like 20 years, but who's had time to keep up with it? Because we've been running after kids who are running away from us on things like moon shoes and Heelys and hoverboards and every other fast device they can get. All right. So you can see that I threaded all of my elastics into the bottom of my moon shoe there. Again, I'm taking my base, putting my moon shoe on it. Now the first one it wants you to take is to take your top rubber band by the toe and put it to the front of your moon shoe. There's a peg sticking down there. Not sure how well you can see that. There we go. Now you can see the peg. See the pegs here? Okay. So the first one is to hook the elastics over the front pegs. You're hooking your front elastic, which has now just escaped from me. So you're going to want to hook both sides at once or it runs away on you. Okay, hooking it. Hooking both sides. Okay, can you see how that's strapped on now? That's what I just did there. Okay, the next one we want to do is going to the very back ones. Very back of our moon shoe now. So opposite end, we're doing the heel. Taking that heel strap, putting it on to the very end of our moon shoe. Rubber bands are tight. The instructions give you nice helpful instructions like don't let it snap in your eyes, which hopefully if you are the person assembling this, you've kind of figured out how to run elastic bands by now. That was step 1 and 2. Step 3 is we're doing slot C on the diagram. So we're going back up to the toe, but we're doing the next post straight out using the next band on our shoe. So we are going to, there we go, second band down, going to next post here. Yeah? Work with me. All right. As you've probably guessed, now we're going to the second heel one. So second from the back of our moon shoe, going to the second back post. And I've already lost one of my elastics. How are you doing there? That's okay, Mom. I am just trying to take a YouTube video in case any other helpless parent ever has to do this. Now that I've figured it out, I'm going to post it because it wasn't on the internet.
Rachel has invited us over for burgers.
Okay, everybody, Rachel's invited us over for burgers. Yay! And she said she had corn on the cob. But let's keep assembling our moon shoes. You poor parent who stuck with this and had to YouTube it.
Right.
Because the instructions are just that awesome. All right, so we've done 2 toe and 2 heel.
Is there a way to turn the light on in your garage?
I will show you how to turn on the light momentarily. It involves having a big stick to reach with. I'm going to finish my YouTube video.
Oh, yeah, you do that.
All right, now we're going to the middle slot because that's our one left, and we need 2 elastic bands to go through our middle slot.
Okay.
Reason being, we're going to put one to the third from the toe peg, and one going to the third from the heel peg, and then you're actually done. All right, let's see if you're beating me on this. Ah. Remember, if you've only put one in per slot, don't test them out without your kid around, because if you test them out, you will probably break the elastic bands, and then you got to start all over. Ha ha. So try to restrain yourself, or add your extra bands for the extra pounds. Do. Very last one. What are the odds that you, listener, watcher, have already completed this ahead of me? If so, bravo. If not, I'm with you. Keep fighting. We'll get it. Oh, the technology they put out. Okay, so this is what you're looking for now. Looks kind of like a trampoline on the top. See, elastic bands are going from underneath the pink plate and going to the top of our black base. There's nothing happening down at the bottom. There you go. There's your moon shoes. Happy jumping. Oh, you might want to remember to put the stickers on that come in the box. Have a good time.